I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. So we're now on our way to Lake Argyle, a huge man-made lake. I think it was done for the mining industry or
it was built for the town and it just wasn't used. So it's just a big lake.
Apparently it's absolutely massive. So yeah, we're heading there. We'll probably spend a couple of nights at the caravan park there. They've got the infinity pool and we've got a sunset tour booked tomorrow.
And possibly dinner tonight.
And dinner tonight for our anniversary.
Yeah.
Depending on what the restaurant's like.
I don't know what I came here for. Maybe closure or nostalgia. Don't recall how I even got here. Chances are I'll never see you. It was cold.
So we've come to the most photographed pool in Australia.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. Beautiful infinity edge down onto Lake Argyle. The sun's right in my eyes, so I'm squinting.
I'm wearing sunglasses. I'm clever.
Yeah, I'm not.
Bitter snow in late November. If it was over, I never saw it. Where were you when it was empty? And where are you now? And around and around we go. But we can't fight, no we can't fight it. And away it goes. And we can't stop, we'll never stop it. Never stop it. Never stop it.
So we are at Lake Argyle and we're just having a bevy to prep for our sunset boat tour at Lake Argyle. And yes, I've turned Aussie, I said
A
bevy.
bevy.
Having a bevy. A bevy? Justin was kind enough to give me the furphy and he's having the Great Northern. Unfortunately,
Beer from up here.
beer from up here, although
Up
we're in the
the
wrong state.
Queenslanders.
They only had Emu, Great Northern and 4X at the Bottle.
Up the Maroons.
And we went for Great Northern because 4X is basically water and I'm not a massive fan of Emu, although we are in WA, so I should have been drinking the local. But I'm digressing. We're about to go on an awesome, I hope awesome, sunset tour at Lake Argyle Resort. The lake is basically a massive man-made lake for some mining.
Some
thing.
unknown reason, either a town, a mine or a farm.
We'll probably learn on the tour, so we'll tell you. But yeah, it's about a 4-hour tour, I think. Get to do some swimming in the lake and hopefully watch sunset.
And I think they give you a complimentary bevy.
Which, we hate that term because you paid for the tour, so it's not complimentary, it's just part of the tour.
Also the word bevy's weird.
Is it not Aussie? Is bevy not Aussie?
It reminds me of Bev, the dog.
But is it not an Aussie?
I miss
I'm
Bev.
having a bet. Can we just keep on topic?
She was a good dog.
This is what I have to deal with every day. But we'll see you on the tour.
Or nostalgia. Don't recall how I even got here. Chances are I'll never see you. It was cold with our hands in pockets. Bitter snow in late November.
This was a little bit smarter today. The other day I locked in and then I couldn't get out, so it's brilliant. So we shall not be doing the rest of it. And when we're on lunch cruise, this is where we go. In 6 years I've been here, 7 years, still haven't been to the southern end of the lake.
We can't fight, no we can't fight it.
So we're at the beer and swim part of the Lake Argyle cruise.
Yeah.
Probably my favourite part.
Yeah, it's been good.
And the sun's about to set behind us. So it's almost time to get back on the boat and
Now
head home.
Swam with the crocs
Yeah, some with the crocs.
and drank the Great Marlin. See what? It's hard to swim.
With the bit. Do I have a GoPro as well? Back to the boat. Don't want to get off on in case the crockies come out.
We can't fight, no, we can't fight. In a way we can't stop, we'll never stop. I don't know what I came here for. I don't know why I came here at all.
We're going for a walk.
We are. I haven't used my legs in a while.
Yes, we're aiming for
A lookout.
a lookout. Alex is directing us, so we'll probably end up somewhere weird. Homestead and Bluff left. So we're just doing one of the walks they have. I think it's 2.2 k's each way
Yeah.
out to the lookout for possibly sunset, but we'll probably leave before then.
Well, I've got the torch, so yeah.
Yes, so it should be good.
Still at Lake
Pretty-
Argyle, by the way.
Pretty spectacular. Yeah, and we're still at Lake Argyle.
All the flies are here.
But you knew it wouldn't work. But I thank you for trying. Can only see so far down the path you left behind me. As the snow tries to degrade, the sun did with the rain, and the blades lie intertwining. Like the time on interstate, the moon did turn you grey, in the days they were declining.
We've set out on our walk. Alex is directing us, and we're now just bashing through the bush.
I think if I'm following you, aren't I? Right now.
You're the one that set the walk,
I followed a.
plotted the coordinates.
I didn't set the walk. There was two options of walks on the thing. One was 500 metres down to the boat ramp, and one was this one.
Very spiky.
I don't like the idea of long grass either.
Oh, that's better. At least we can see where we're sleeping.
That was horrible. I hate long grass.
You loved it. Alex has decided we're giving up.
Well, we don't know if it's a path, and it's a bit of a scramble. It's getting a bit late, and there's cold beers in the fridge at the car.
There's a Great Northern with your name on it.
Don't really want to scramble down this in the dark. I think we're just going to look at the lake from the point of view up there, and if we do the homestead tomorrow, we can just do it from there.
You sound really out of breath,
I
mate.
just climbed up a cliff,
Are you alright?
so yeah, we probably won't watch the sunset from. Oh, I just don't know where the path goes.
You alright, mate?
We've got 20 minutes till the sun sets.
Breathe.
Oh, shut up. Are we going back or are we going up? What do you want to do?
It's up to you
What
now.
do you want to do?
I'm not fussed. I love climbing stupid cliffs for no reason. but I also love a black marlin.
Let's go back. Why a black marlin? Great Northern.
Yeah,
Why a black marlin's Great Northern?
because it's got a black marlin on it.
Does it on the bottle?
Yeah.
Ah, there we go. You've waited until the easy bit.
Oh, sorry. You can also see where we're camped.
Look, it's a big long hike, okay?
Many kilometres.
This would have been almost impossible in the dark.
We're doing fine.
I'm finding it almost impossible when I can't.
You have no sense of adventure.
I'm not reckless. I'd rather have more years of adventure than one amazing short one.
It's not the fall that'll kill you, Alex. It's the ground.
There.
Yeah, it's supposed to be spiritual.
So we're back at camp. Sun's not set yet, but we got a beer and we've still got a view. Turns out the what was this flies on me? The hole in the cliff distracted us and we missed the turning off to the left.
Yeah, it was a real fair whale of a walk.
So we were just climbing up the rock face, so glad we turned around.
It was still pretty.
Still pretty, but it would have been dark by the time we got up there, so glad we turned around, and now I've got a cold beer and a comfortable seat, and life is good.
That was some good chat.
The flies aren't good though. Should I just keep chatting just a little bit longer?
Do
Just
some
to
bird chat.
just do some. Though there were some loud birds. Justin's drone didn't get attacked though, luckily.
Good chat.
So it's our final morning at Lake Argyle. So we thought we would explore the dam wall and the water that comes out of the dam wall at the bottom.
That was sick.
Yeah. And then some of the view platforms. And then we'll head back into town for the next part of our adventure. We had a lovely couple of days chilling at Lake Argyle, and we hope you enjoyed watching it. Join us next time as we head back towards Connemara and continue exploring, and get stuck in the mud. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.